next thing we're going to do here is put these fan mates on. So we have these nice fans upstairs, or I mean upstairs. We have these nice fans on our roof that are automatic, and the rain sensing, they'll close, but it's much nicer if you have something covering it, because then they never have to close. So this is what they come with. They come with all this stuff so you can install them. However, ours should be Fanmate ready, so we shouldn't need any of this stuff except the pins out of each one of these bags. And obviously they have some big holes. Our fan itself has a screen built in, but I still don't want like bees building a nest up in this thing. So here's this. Oh, you want to see if you can get the pin out of that one? And I'll get you the other one too. There should be like, I think 4 pin things. They're like weird bent pin things. Yep. All right, so while my lovely assistant is helping us out there, what we're going to do is we're going to install some screen over these. So all right, let's go hot glue the edges so no buggies can get at them. Alright, that one's all snapped in. So now what I'm gonna do is we'll take these up there one at a time with all the pins. Alright, I'm gonna go up so far and then can I get you to hand me one? Alright, can you hand me this side? Alright, let's go put this first one on and then we'll come back for the other one. So, as you can see, this is one of the vents right here, and it's got these little lobes with these holes. I gotta make sure those holes are open. So there we go. Boom, boom. Now that those are open, these should go over them. Like so. Hopefully I don't have to scrape more. We shall see. There we go. So there's one pin. There's 2 pin. Does it say how to orient the pins? Yep, we want them up. Like that, supposedly. Alright. So there's 2 of them in. Then we come over here, and we should have 2 more pins. There's 1. There's 2. All right, now that one's installed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this off, and then we're gonna go give this to our lovely assistant and get the next one. Oh my goodness, she's right here. All right, Oh, yeah, it's in my pocket. There we go. That now, no matter how hard or anything it rains, there's gonna be no rain in there. They can get up underneath. So those vents could theoretically stay open all the time. And that's the goal of those. So those are the MAXXAIR vents that cover the MAXXAIR fans that are electronic. Now let's go inside and make sure they work. So now we should be able to open these. They may still hit those, but they should still open and should still vent. Ooh, it's dark now, huh? There we go, it opens. I don't know if it hit that or not. Surely didn't make any noises. Oh yeah, I can see it just hits, but it stops. So, there we go. Now if you look, see it's not wide open air. It has to go out that vent. Nice. All right, now we're back on top. We're gonna replace this wedge dome with this black wedge dome so we don't have to tinfoil our windows. So, it looks as if this will snap off of here. There we go. And then we can slide this out. So off with that one. And now this one, we just want to slide this back in. All right, there's one. Oh, there we go. All right, and there you go. Now it's installed. Look at that. And it closes. Let's go see what a difference it made inside. Obviously this was white, so it was bright like the sun. In case we have one break on the road. Oh yeah, now it's nice and dark. Now all we want to do is pop this up. There we go. And now it's not midnight, but it's fairly dark. Let's close the windows and close the blinds. You lift it up, just picked up on it.
Okay.
And kind of wiggle it till you get that hinge through without breaking anything. And lock it around there. And now this is what we'll be able to sleep with in the mornings. So obviously it lets in less light than the blinds, so that's pretty cool. And then we can still open it for ventilation, but it's nice and dark. All right, that's all we're doing today. See you next time. Buff it up, 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 Bup, 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 bup. Bup, 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 bup.